Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Wrike account. All right. Well, first up, go ahead and log into Wrike.com. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to go to the left panel and click on your profile right here at the top left. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on settings. A new page will load. Now, once it loads, you can see here, we are under our personal settings profile. When we scroll all the way down, we won't be able to see a delete button. So what we're going to do is just go ahead over to the left panel and go to account management. Now in here, you're going to want to look for settings. This one, click on it. Now in here in the right panel, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the delete my account option right here. Just go ahead and click on it. Now you have three options: keep my account, switch to free, or continue deletion. And it says here, all data associated with this account, including tasks, projects, files, discussions, and users, will be deleted as well. All right. If you're sure, just go ahead and click on continue to deletion. Now go ahead and select your reason. For example, it's all about money. Additional comments right here, which is required. I just want it deleted, just like that. Now go ahead and enter your password right here to confirm the deletion. All right. I'm going to write it down, and then you have two options: keep account or delete the account. So you're going to want to click on the blue option, which says delete my account. Just click on it. Now, as you might note, when I enter a password, it just gave me an error. That's because I don't have a password in this Wrike account. All right. So you're going to want to click on resend email right here so that you will get the same exact email. Then you're going to want to click on the green button, which says confirm email. Now you're just going to want to put your new password right here and confirm the password. Once done, just hit on submit. Now go back to the Wrike settings in here, put down the password. All right. If you already set up the password, well, this problem is non-existent. All right. Just hit on delete my account. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we are now logged out and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.